So, where are we going today? Today, the sunlight is so bright that you just feel grateful for this beautiful sunlight. So, after the clouds, the sunlight comes, and this is the example of it. So, let's come with me and enjoy this beautiful day today together. Take your sunlight, spread your arms, and be yourself. So, after the dark night of the soul, the light of consciousness is going to come in the form of Guru. Guru Sanju is your light. Enjoy. Let's meet you at a different location. So, this is the place where I want to show you what is life. That is the light of consciousness falling on you, and you can experience its reflection on the water. The way the light of the sun is reflecting on the water. See this experience. Witness this experience. Yes. This is the light of the Guru, which when falls on you, you become free from your darkness. Kundalini will give you many signals to connect to the Guru. But you have to understand the signals by feeling it. It will not give you the ways are in the matrix to feel life. It will just give you signals energetically from nature. So, experience the reflection falling on the water of the sun, and this is what you need to experience in life. Maybe someday my video will pop up in front of you, or you may come across a discourse where I am guiding you about life or anything. One of my students from Denmark got connected to me in just 2 seconds. He watched my video, he got connected to me, and in the next 30 minutes, he was enlightened. Such was the intensity of his connection to me. And this is why I keep on telling you, increase your receptivity, increase your energy, increase your frequency so that you can connect to me. I can free you only when you are doing your homework of connecting to me. I have everything to give to you, and this universe is there for you. The sun is there, the clouds are there, the water is there, the green trees are there, and everything is there which can free you. But how do you get access to these things without any inhibition? Can you go out like this and just feel life the way it is? So I will take you across different dimensions of living life where you will know that look at the blue sky in the background. You have to know what life is all about. It's such a beautiful vortex. So you can ground yourself in the vortex and connect to me and connect to the universe which is calling you. Life is calling you. You have to listen to the sound of life. You have to listen to the mesmerizing voice of the life. This is life. This is life. And here I am to celebrate life. Life is a celebration with me because I teach you how to live life you have forgotten completely. You can simply forget everything else and connect to the life that you are with me. Without me, it is not possible. Why? Because you are in the grip of the Maya, you are in the grip of the illusionary energy, the forces, which doesn't allow you to be yourself. It doesn't allow you to be who you are. And when you live life, days and years in the same place, you create a negative vortex in your house, in your place, in your room, in your apartment. So, here is a water bird. I don't know whether you will be able to see it, but let me show you if you can. Yes, it went inside to catch the fish. So, there will be lots of surprises, lots of beautiful things coming up in this vortex. The eagles are flying there. Let me show you if you can. All the elements of life are present here. The spaciousness, all the five elements of nature are present here. The sun, the fire element, the earth element. So let me show you the earth element in the form of this plant and in this form of this, the little plant growing there. All this is miracle. The water is there, water element is there, the space element is there. Such a huge space, such a grand reality you are experiencing. The way the sun is clouded and the sunshine is little less. That is what is happening with you. The mind clogs your way. Look at the sky and look at the eagles flying out there. You need to become this eagle. Come out of your cage and be free from everything that is holding you back. Experience life the way it is, in freedom, in joy, in peace. Have trust on the universe, which is telling you time and again to be free, live life, sing song, be yourself, and enjoy the sunlight coming again to lit you up, to heat you up, to make you warm. Prana is the warmth of life. When you have lots of prana, you feel warm because the energy of life is warmth. But when you are dead, when you have less prana, when you have more apana, then you feel cold. So test yourself whether you are feeling hot, warm, or cold. Enjoy this Christmas tree, beautifully carved, making a beautiful landscape. I like this place. I love this place. Whenever I come to this vortex, a certain kind of opening happens, which is totally different, which is of high quality. And that is why I'm sharing the abundance of nature with you, so that wherever you are, if you get the opportunity to come to such vortex, you can also experience this reality of feeling the abundance of life. Your attention, your prana will determine the quality of life you will live. It is you who can choose what kind of life you want to live. Whether you want to live your life or you want to live the life of the society, the matrix. I'll show you the bird flipping there, taking bath, or whether you want to live that life of the bird flying, being happy in its glory. Just enjoy the beauty of this place. Nature is everywhere. You have to connect. You have to go out of your four walls and do something incredible. You could be that much innocent, like the kids playing there. You have forgotten the child in you. You can be as simple as those children playing. Whatever I talk, whatever I say is coming from higher dimensions of consciousness. If you just connect to me, you will get these energies and you will feel that you are becoming alive with me. Look at that bird drying in the sun. Naturally, so expansive it is. So enjoy this miracle with me and soar like the eagle in the sky. Be like the sun shining. Be like the water flowing. Be like the bird doing nothing apart from, or like this crow, which is limited to which is limited to its area, or like the sky, like the eagles out there flying. Choose your life. Guru is the only hope for you. I am loving that bird whose world is limited to. In fact, his world is unlimited to nature. It is connected to nature. It doesn't have a mind. It has only instinctive intelligence. I am activating the instinctive intelligence in you, where you forget your identification with your mind and you just start living instinctively. The way I am living, the way I am flowing, and never in your life you will feel lonely. You will feel that the entire universe is with you and you are getting expansive every day. Look at the beautiful texture of this plant, beautifully carved out. Start appreciating. Start appreciating life. Start appreciating who you are. Start appreciating the beauty and pay gratitude to what nature has given you. You are the nature. The life is the nature. Kundalini is the nature. There is no life without Kundalini. There is no nature without Kundalini. You have become matter because you have given too much of attention to the mind and the ego that keeps the control of your life. It wants to control everything about how you think, how you live, how you behave, how you function in life. You're always constricted. It constricts your nervous system and brain. You get neurosis. Why? Because you are not comfortable with your life. It always happens that wherever I am, eagles come. And this has happened just now. The eagles are flowing around me. And if I would have been alone here, then I would have connected to them. But yes, I will definitely connect. Come, 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 come. They will come. They will connect. This is energetic reality. You too can experience this if you are in nature. Let the natural beings connect to you in different ways. Life is calling. Where are you? The theme of this discourse was life is calling. Where are you? Life is calling. Where are you? Bye bye and have a great day. Thank you. This is beautiful. Awesome. Those are the free beings where I want to take you. And remove the dark clouds from your life. The silver lining that you can see is the silver lining of the Guru calling you from distance to free yourself from all the suffering and all the pain that you are going through right now.